Here are the top 5 key highlights of today's RBI policy. First, repo rate is increased by 50 basis points to 4.9%, which was expected. Second, marginal standing facility rate is increased by 50 basis points to 5.15%. Third, standing deposit facility rate is increased by 50 basis points to 4.65%. Fourth, forecasted GDP numbers for financial year 23 is 7.2% and CPI figure is 6.7%. Fifth, RBI inflation forecast assumes normal monsoon and crude basket price at $105 per barrel. With this policy, we can understand that the objective of RBI is on three things right now. First, to control inflation. Second, to control liquidity. And third, to put a hold on INR devaluation. Follow us for more updates.